So in this video we'll be learning about Ajax. Okay, so like in a simple, I'll give just a simple introduction about the Ajax. Like Ajax is used to store, update, delete and read the data. Okay, so Ajax is the main important of Ajax is it stores the data without refreshing the page. Okay, that's a simple introduction of that Ajax. Okay guys, for Ajax main thing you have to download one jQuery file or a JavaScript. Okay, so Ajax, for running Ajax on your PHP application, you have to use JavaScript. Okay, you have to script. Okay, so for that, let's this is jQuery.com. Okay, so you'll get over there. So let's download it. So just click on this. Click on that. Then it's loading. Yes, so you'll come and you'll find something over here. Okay, so guys, you have to just download this, the uncompressed file. Okay, that will be like you can use it. Okay, in your folder. So just give a save link as. Okay, because it doesn't have a download thing, so we'll give save link as, and it will pop up a dialog box, and let it be in its name. And I have created the folder. Okay, into that I will go and save. This is my exam htdocs, and I have created my folder for that, like PHP Ajax. Okay, so PHP Ajax folder, and I will save into that. So it is getting downloaded and getting saved over there, or else you can just copy and paste if you have any other jQuery. Okay, jQuery thing, it's getting downloaded guys, so I'll show it. So I'll click show in folder. So guys, it's ready now. So this is how we install jQuery and download jQuery into our folder. Then guys, then done. So in this video I have told you like how to install jQuery and introduction of the Ajax, okay, in PHP. So guys, in this video that's it. Please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video and share it to your friends. They may subscribe me.